In this video, in details how to diagnose and repair failed trailer lights. Let's get started. As example, as you can see, we have a 3-axles Lamar trailer. Yeah, well, I haven't worked on it yet. I don't know what light doesn't work. We're going to confirm the issue first and start diagnosing what causing light not to work and get it fixed. Yeah, first as usual, let's go and confirm the issue. As you can see, my trailer electrical connector is connected to the truck. Let's go and turn the lights on. Let's turn the lights on. The markers, here we go. We have tailgate, lights working, markers working on the truck. Good. Let's start walking towards the trailer. We have a front orange marker on. Good. Side marker is working. Beautiful. We'll keep moving. Fender orange front marker is working. All right. So far so good. We have back marker, fender marker is working. We don't have our license plate light. It's not lit. Okay. We don't have our side marker at the far back on the left. Our tail light is working on the left. Let's go to the middle. See that 1, 2, 3, those 3 clearance marker lights working. All right. Right side tail light is working. So you can see this one's slightly different style. The LEDs and row. This one's different. Doesn't really matter. They're all DOT approved. We have a red right rear marker light lit. It's on. Fender the back on the right is working. Let's go to our front part of the fender on the right. Left is working, and our front right side marker and front right marker is working as well. We're good. All right, we only have 2 lights, license plate light and right rear side marker. Okay, let's go ahead and turn our lights off for now. Test, we need incandescent test light. I like this old school style. And second, we're going to test our equipment before performing any checks. Make sure our equipment is legit, works. Yeah, let's go test light. Okay, let's pull up the hood, get access to our battery. Okay, here's the battery. I'm going to connect an alligator clip to the negative battery post, and as soon as I touch the power, test light lit. Here we go. Yeah, my test light is working. Confirm. Now we can go and start testing our lights and find it out why those lights stopped working. Physical forces causing electrical circuit to fail. First one is heat. Second one is vibration. Heat related to increased resistance in the circuit and loss of continuity, or circuit can be open. Vibration, self-explanatory, leads to open circuit. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to start with the left side rear marker light. We'll peel this ones off, see what's up inside. And as you probably know, vehicle chassis frame is always a ground, and we have a power coming to the light, and ground connects somewhere to the chassis, or it comes with a wiring harness, connects to the main ground point. Yeah, let's pull this light out and see, are we getting good ground or getting power, or light itself can be faulty. All right, I'm going to do the visual inspection. We already see this silicone. It was some sort of mechanical issue with the light. Bulb was falling off, popping out. Let's pull this guy out. Let's see what's up. Here we go. All right. Silicone. Should get access to our electrical connector. At least from the bottom, I guess. It's pretty wet outside. All this road grind and dirt, sand. Let's clean it up. There we go. Much better. Start clean. Nice. All right. Let's see where the connector is to the wiring harness. Somewhere inside. There's not much room from the back, and we have a metal plate welded on the bottom. Now we cannot get access to the wiring harness from the bottom. We have to pull tail light out just using a flat screwdriver. There we go. Try to bite at the bottom for the white part of the housing, and it will come out. Yeah, dirty. All right, light is out. This wire is going straight to those central market lights, and also we have some wiring going towards the front of the trailer. We don't worry about this, and our wire is here. Yeah, and as you can see there's some wiring harness. I think excessive wire was just wrapped around. Central marker lights, we know those ones are good. It means we have a problem somewhere in the wiring harness or the light itself. Okay, it's not easy access to the rest of the wiring harness where it's connected. I'm going to chop this light off to save the time, save the money. I'm not going to trace all that part of the wiring straight to those lights, peeling everything apart. There's not much room to access, and as you can see, this one's damaged, most likely was cracked. We're going to chop it off. They're dirt cheap, and yeah, it needs to be replaced anyway. Power is off. Give myself maximum slack as I have and chop it right here. We're not going to reuse this. Peel the insulation. Strip it off. Here we go. If you're not a subscriber, take a second to subscribe. Very appreciated that. Okay, we have our insulation peeled. I twist the copper, and now we are ready to do the test. Let's connect our alligator clip. All right, and let's touch another wire, and if we have a power and ground, our test light will be lit. Okay, let's go and turn it on. All right, let's go and see. Yeah, put a thumbs up. All right, moment of truth. See what we have. Don't short the wires, don't touch them together, as you blow the fuse. Here we go. We have a ground and we have a power coming. Yeah. Faulty light indicator. And yeah, tail light is working. Just going to replace our marker indicator and move to our license plate light. All right, let's get it repaired. Going to turn the lights off. Replacement parts, I have them from Princess Auto, same as a Harbor Freight down in the States, and I'm going to use this one. It's identical as our old one. As you can see here, an old one was missing a rubber grommet. Yeah, let's connect this light. I'm going to use my crimp shrink wrap connectors to protect the electrical circuit from any moisture intrusion. Yeah, all right. Pretty easy. They're the same. Okay, let's get it all wired up. Here we go. We don't need our test light. Let's disconnect that. Be careful not to touch ground and the power together. We'll pop the fuse. We don't have any. All right. I'm going to peel a little bit more insulation like that. If wire. Okay. You can also burn an insulation like that and just pull it off. It will work without damaging the copper. Cut it off. Make them same length. Peel the insulation. All right. Twist the copper like that. Yeah. Follow the colors, power to power, ground to ground, pretty straightforward. All right, let's crimp one connector. Here we go. Crimped. Nice and tight. Tug test as usual. One more. Wires are crimped. Let's do the tug test. As you can see, all nice and solid. Nothing coming apart. Before warming up the shrink wrap and sealing the connection, let's go turn our lights on. Make sure it works. It's on. And let's go closer. I already can see we have a working side marker light. There we go. Beautiful. Nice and bright. Now we'll just push it in. Yeah. All right. Nice and bright. It's working. We're going to seal the shrink wrap crimp connectors. Push it in. Put our light back and move to our license plate. See what's up with that guy. All right. Lights are off. And get it sealed. Just using the lighter. Go. I have a sealed solid connection. Won't come apart. I'm also going to wrap the electrical tape to protect the wires. Originally, as you remember, the wiring harness came with the proper insulation. I'm just going to wrap it. Wiring inside. It's all nice and clean. Alright, see what's hit here. That little dent. Slide in. Pay attention to the mark. Here's the say top. Let's remove the grommet. Get a grommet in the hole first. Like that. Grommet is in. Just get a little bit of lube. Don't need much. Top and press this guy in. It should get inside. It's gonna be a little bit hard. Here we go. Should get in. Nice. All right, beauty. Okay, she's in. Push the grommet, straight it up. It won't go more than it should go. All right, beautiful. Installation is opposite to removal. Let's put our light back. I noticed this light was installed upside down. Remember the harness is on the right, and they say top or the route label. We should pull the little bit of the harness up like that, turn it. It's enough slack and put it this way. That's where it's properly should be reflecting. It is a SAE number. Shouldn't be upside down, and DOT. Okay. License plate light time. Let's grab our 5/16, nope, 5/16 socket and a ratchet. Take it off to get access to the light bulb. This is a sealed unit. I thought it's just a bulb under the bracket when you can peel the glass and get access to the bulb. No, it's one assembly. We have to replace it most likely, but before doing that, let's check for the power ground. Okay, wiring harness, see where it's going and do the visual inspection first. Let's turn our light on, and we have two wires over here coming from our license plate light bulb. Let's disconnect those two wires and do the test. Okay, light ready because we're going to probe the female connector. I have my T-pin in alligator clip, and yeah, we're going to turn the lights on and go test for power and ground at the trailer wiring harness. Okay, lights on and see if we have juice and ground coming to the plug. All right, one side and here we go. Yeah, we have a ground and we have a power. Beautiful. It means we have some sort of issue with our light unit itself. Beautiful. Everything's at the connector to the license plate light. All right, let's see what we can do. Before connecting a new light, let's check the condition of the connector. As you can see, it's nice and clean. See some dielectric grease even inside. No rusty scratches, no any corrosion, oxidation. We don't need to do any cleanup. Even it was sealed properly, nice and clean. As you can see, just clean metal. Yeah, okay, we're ready to connect a new light. Here's a brand new replacement part. It's identical as the old one, as you can see. I have to transfer those male connectors to a new one. It came just with the bare wires. Okay, we'll get that done and then we'll go and connect and we should be all set. Okay, check it out. Connectors crimped and sealed. Well, let's go install it. New part in the original place. Let's just clean the surface, make sure everything's nice, no dirt. All right, good enough. Let's get our wiring through the hole all the way, and our LED diodes facing up, look the same, something like that. Okay, let's go underneath. All right, let's connect the wiring all the way, nice and tight, and click. One more. Okay, let's go turn the lights on and see if it works or not. Lights are on. Let's go see. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. And of course, our license plate light is working. Beautiful. Now I only have to put a new bracket. Yeah, and mount it permanently like that. No, other way, like that. Awesome, nice. EJ ho. Let's turn the lights off. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. As usual, we'll try my best to answer your question. Yeah, if you have any recommendations, yeah, put it there. Well, last few touches, and we're ready to pass motor vehicle inspection. Here we go. Beautiful. Fantastic. This time, fortunately, it was pretty easy, pretty straightforward, but it's not always the rule. As you can see, license plate is illuminated, and we have our left side, rear side marker, indicators on, tail lights on. We're ready for the inspection. Yeah, of course, it can be many more causes why lights might not work. This is only one of them, guys. Yeah, as usual, thank you so much for your time. Take care and see you next one. Bye bye.